Hello everyone and welcome back to our class. Have you noticed how some summer feels completely unbearable lately, or how the monsoon cycle seems to be changing unprecedentedly? We hear the phrase climate change all the time in the news, but what does it actually mean for us? And more importantly, what can we do about it? Today we are breaking it down into simple easy pieces. First, let's clear up the common mix up weather versus climate. Weather is what's happening outside your window right now, like if it's sunny today or raining tomorrow. But climate is the long term pattern of that weather over 30 years or more. Think of weather as a person's mood and climate as their entire personality. Right now, our planet personality is shifting. Over the last century, our human activity has caused the Earth's average temperature to rise by about 1.5 degrees Celsius. It sounds small, but for an entire planet, even a tiny fever changes everything. So, what is causing this planetary fever? It's something called the greenhouse effect. Imagine leaving your car parked directly under the bright sun, with all the windows rolled up. The sunlight gets inside, turns into heat, and gets trapped by the glass. The inside of the car becomes like an oven. Our atmosphere does the same thing naturally to keep us warm, which is good. But by burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for our cars and factories, and by cutting down vast forests, we are pumping massive amounts of gas like carbon dioxide and methane into the air. Essentially, we are wrapping the earth into a blanket that is way too thick. The heat can escape into space and the planet warms. First, we get extreme weather. Heat waves last longer, droughts dry up farming lands, and when it does rain, it pours so heavily that it triggers massive floods. Second, the extra heat is melting polar ice caps and glacier. All that extra water goes straight into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise, which threatens coastal cities and island communities. Lastly, it directly hurts our food and water supply. When weather patterns break down, farmers struggle to grow crops, putting global food security at risk. Can one person make a difference? Absolutely. Here are 3 quick habits you can start today. Switch to renewable energy like solar and wind power. Travel smart. Try to walk, use bicycle or public transport whenever you can. Reduce waste. Say no to single-use plastic bottles. Big changes always start with small collective habits. If this video made climate change easy to understand, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.